In this video, I'll show you how to add a Telegram chat to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there's loads of different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how different features work by clicking around on the widget. And just to give you a quick example, this is my Telegram chat inserted onto my Shopify website, and from here you can just go ahead and click Start Chat if you'd like and test everything out. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description down below. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over Widgets right here. From here, locate Chats and then go a little bit down until it says Telegram Chat and click. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, the layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's the closest to what you're looking for now. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option right here. And from here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. That's going to bring you to this page where you need to insert your Telegram username or a link. I'm just going to write my Telegram username here. To customize what the chat looks like, go ahead and click on Content on the left-hand side. From here, you can choose a different bubble icon, which would be the icon down here in the Need Help button. You can also go ahead and add a different text, for example, chat. Aside from that, you can also upload a new picture by going ahead and clicking right here, and then click on the little icon right here to replace the image. I'm not going to do that for this tutorial, but you can go ahead and add any image that you'd like. From here, you can also add a name. I'm just going to write my name. Aside from that, you can also add a caption. The caption is the little text that's under your name right here. You can go ahead and click right here at the reply time. And let's say that we typically reply within a few hours. In that case, just go ahead and click on typically replies in a few hours and then click on done. Alternatively, you can also add a custom text right here. You can mark yourself as online. Down here in the welcome message, you can write a new message if you like. This message is going to be the first thing that your website visitor sees when they open a chat. And lastly, you can also go ahead and change the Start Chat button text right now. As you can see right now, it says Start Chat, but you can go ahead and just write something else like Start, for example. Now, if you want to change something like the position of the widget, go ahead and click on Settings on the left-hand side. From here, you can change the position by clicking right here, and then you can choose whether it should be floating, embedded, or an embed chat window. Currently, the floating bubble is selected, but you can choose the other ones by clicking around on them. And lastly, if you want to change something like the colors of the widget, go ahead and click on Appearance. From here, you can choose a font, and then you can choose between all of these different colors. One thing I'd want to change is the chat wallpaper. And to do that, go ahead and click on the option right here. And then you can go ahead and choose Custom, and then just choose whatever color you'd like for your chat. I'm just going to stick with this option right here, but you can choose any color that you'd like by clicking on them and clicking on Done. And the same way we change the color of the chat wallpaper, you can do for all of these other items right here. Once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen just now. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. Here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you should end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. Once you're on your Shopify website designer, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I want to add mine to the home page, which I can choose right here, but you can add it to whatever page you'd like. From there, I want to add it to the midsection of my website, which is on the template on the left-hand side. To add the widget, go ahead and click on Add Section, and then scroll all the way to the bottom until it says Custom Liquid and click. That's going to open up a new section on your website that's called Custom Liquid, and on the right-hand side, we need to click right here on the liquid code. From here, we need to insert the code we just copied from Elfsight, and you can do that by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and clicking on Paste. And then just click away. And as you can see, we now have a small chat icon at the bottom right corner right down here. You can go ahead and click on it to see how it's going to work on your website. And as you can see, it's exactly like we designed it. And then you can just go ahead and test it out by clicking Start Chat and then see if you received the message on your Telegram account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.